bloopers.
Wait, take two.
I'm gonna say it.
Say it.
I'm
Say
gonna
it.
say it.
Say it.
I don't care. That's your fuck. Oh. What just happened?
Test subjects have been tested on every day. Said my phone wrong.
Maya!
No, she said some. She was like,
Are you recording?
She was like, shut up. And then she was like, 3. Over 1 million animals.
You're supposed to look at her. And I was like, hashtag what?
Alright.
Maya.
Oh, want me to start?
No!
You won't stop laughing.
Dead kittens, really?
You think about them.
I love using NYC because it has so many cute colors and it does not use.
What? Oh, okay.
I didn't want to say use or does animal testing, so I was like, let's go use. Wait, no.
Test subjects are tested on for 2 years.
Over 1 million animals are.
2.